Hello everyone, welcome to the series Tragic Flaw in the Plays of Shakespeare, and in this video we are going to discuss Troilus and Cressida. Introduction. Troilus, the valiant Trojan prince in Shakespeare's complex drama, embodies the tragic flaw of idealism and naivety in love. His unwavering belief in Cressida's unwavering devotion leads to brutal disillusionment and a profound sense of heartbreak. Through Troilus' tragic journey, Shakespeare masterfully explores the devastating consequences of naivety and the harsh realities of love and war. Troilus' idealism in love. Troilus is a young man swept away by the whirlwind of unrealistic expectations. He elevates Cressida to a pedestal, viewing her as an embodiment of purity and constancy. This is evident in his language, where he compares her to truth and beauty. Act 1, Scene 2. His idealism blinds him to any potential flaws in Cressida or the realities of the war-torn world around him. He passionately declares his love for Cressida, viewing her as the epitome of beauty and virtue. Troilus expresses his unwavering faith in Cressida's constancy, saying, "I tell thee I am mad." In Cressida's love, thou answerest she is fair, pourest in the open ulcer of my heart, her eyes, her hair, her cheek, her gait, her voice, handlest in thy discourse, oh, that her hand, in whose comparison all whites are ink, writing their own reproach, to whose soft Caesar the signet's down is harsh and spirit of sense, hard as the palm of ploughman. Act 1, Scene 1. This idealized perception of Cressida sets the stage for his eventual disillusionment. Misplaced trust. Further compounding his tragic flaw is his misplaced sense of trust. He readily accepts Cressida's protestations of love, failing to consider the manipulative forces at play. He is particularly naive when it comes to Pandarus, Cressida's manipulative uncle, who acts as a go-between for the lovers. Troilus trusts Pandarus completely, overlooking his self-serving motives. Pandarus acts as a go-between for the lovers, but even he expresses doubts about the stability of their relationship. Despite this, Troilus remains steadfast in his belief that their love will endure. His naivety is poignantly captured in his declaration, "Oh, let my lady apprehend no fear. In all Cupid's pageant, there is presented no monster." Act 3, Scene 2. The turning point. This combination of idealism and naivety sets Troilus up for a devastating fall. The turning point in Troilus' tragic journey comes when Cressida is exchanged for a Trojan prisoner and sent to the Greek camp. Troilus' idealism is shattered when he witnesses Cressida's infidelity with the Greek warrior Diomedes. His heartbreak and disillusionment are vividly portrayed in his anguished words, "This she? No, this is Diomedes' Cressida. If beauty have a soul, this is not she. If souls guide vows, if vows be sanctimony, if sanctimony be the gods' delight, if there be rule in unity itself, this was not she. O madness of discourse! That cause sets up with and against itself, bifold authority, where reason can revolt. Without perdition and loss assume all reason. Without revolt, this is and is not Cressida." Act 5, Scene 2. Troilus' idealism is replaced by a painful awareness of the betrayal and the frailty of human fidelity. Collision of idealism and reality. Troilus' tragedy lies in the collision between his idealistic expectations and the harsh realities of human nature. His inability to see Cressida for who she truly is or to recognize the manipulative forces at play leads to his emotional devastation. His naivety and idealism ultimately lead to his disillusionment and a profound sense of betrayal. His heartbreak is compounded by the realization that the ideals he held so dear were illusory. This transformation from an idealistic lover to a disillusioned and heartbroken man underscores the tragic nature of his journey. In his despair, Troilus declares, "The bonds of heaven are slipped, dissolved and loosed, and with another knot, 5-finger tied, the fractions of her faith, oats of her love, the fragments, scraps, the bits and greasy relics of her over-eaten faith and given to Diomed." Act 5, Scene 2. Conclusion. In Troilus and Cressida, Shakespeare masterfully explores the themes of idealism, naivety, and betrayal in love. Troilus' tragic flaw, his unyielding belief in Cressida's fidelity, and his misplaced sense of trust lead to his profound disillusionment and heartbreak. The play serves as a powerful commentary on the complexities and uncertainties of human relationships, highlighting the dangers of idealizing love and the harsh realities that can shatter such illusions. Through Troilus' tragic journey, Shakespeare underscores the devastating consequences of naivety and the importance of recognizing the complexities of love and trust. So this was the discussion on the tragic flaw in Shakespeare's play Troilus and Cressida. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.